We just got the fastest version of the Kodiaq looking more aggressive with the 2025 Skoda Kodiaq RS. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where for a long time performance SUVs were only available if you shopped from luxury brands. However, the niche has grown to include several mainstream automakers including Skoda. Originally launched 4 years ago with a bi-turbo diesel engine, the Kodiaq RS has switched to gasoline for its facelift in 2021, and now the second generation model has landed in Europe with the Volkswagen Group's 2.0 TSI engine. Now sliding above the all-show without extra Ghost Sportline trim, the RS now packs 261 horsepower to match the latest Octavia RS. This gives it a 20 horsepower advantage over its predecessor. In addition, the maximum torque delivered by the 4-cylinder turbocharged mill has increased by 22 pound-feet, 30 newton-meters, reaching 295 pound-feet, 400 newton-meters. It gives it an advantage of 23 pound-feet, 30 newton-meters over the Octavia RS, but that makes sense considering the Kodiaq RS is a much larger and heavier vehicle. Now the Golf GTI power is delivered to both axles through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and Skoda quotes a 0 to 60 mph, 100 km time in about 6.3 seconds, but the slightly heavier 7-seat version needs an extra tenth of a second. Flat out, both Kodiaq RS models will reach 144 mph, 232 km/h. And in case you need a refresher to realize how much Skoda has progressed underneath the VW Group's corporate umbrella, the Kodiaq RS is packed with goodies. With the Matrix LED headlights to continuously adjustable dampers, this SUV has all the features you'd want without stepping into the luxury territory. Now the Czech automaker even gives it a dedicated sport, snow, and off-road modes, where elsewhere there are ventilated front seats, a Canton sound system, and laminated glass for all side windows to make the cabin quieter. Now it follows the 2024 trends by featuring headlights, big 20-inch wheels with a two-tone look, and a huge 13-inch tablet for infotainment. Now aside from the Octavia RS, it's the only other Skoda to have a visible dual exhaust setup. As with the lesser Kodiaq versions, there are customizable round touchscreens on the center console for quick access to your preferred functions. Now, the latest entry to Skoda's performance SUV lineup joins the fully electric Enyaq RS and Enyaq Coupe RS, and both EVs pack an even greater punch by offering 335 horsepower and an instant 402 pound-feet, 545 newton-meters of torque, echoing the recently unveiled Enyaq RS race rally car concept. But with that said, what do you guys think about the all-new RS? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.